Dun, 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 dun. How do we look? Dead center. Or should I say dead? All right, mic check 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. All right. So we have everything else. We got some notes, and we talk about this guy. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Gene of JAXTWIN, and on this channel we talk tech. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my experience with the Beats Fit Pro and what I love about these earbuds and the one thing that I actually do not like about these earbuds. Alright, let's do it. But as always, before I begin, if you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to stay up to date when I drop new videos every single week. I really wanted to talk about these Beats for a second because these have probably been one of the best earbuds that I've ever used. I wanted to really talk about this because, like a lot of people who work out, I have always had this challenge of finding really good headphones to use for the gym, but I may have come across one of the best right now. And part of the reason why I love this is for the form factor and some of the aesthetics that it offers. And the other part is obviously the sound. Beats has one of the best sounding earbuds that I've heard or I've used in my short experience with some headphones. I really think that a lot of people should consider buying this at a particular price. So let's go ahead and talk about what's in the box. So in the box, you do get the Beats Fit Pro earbuds. You also get the pocketable charging case. You also do get the ear tips with 3 size options. You do also get the USB to USB-C charging cable. You do get a quick start guide and a warranty card. The one thing that you don't get in the box is the actual power adapter. So just a quick disclaimer on that. The earbuds provide up to 6 hours of listening time. You can do what's called fast fueling your earbuds, which basically means that you get 1 hour of playback with a 5-minute charge. I think that's actually pretty awesome. Now, I also wanted to highlight the fact that the packaging is made of 89% plant-based material sourced from recyclable fiber and sustainable forest. Now, listed compatibility is set with Android devices and Apple devices, so it will definitely work on my S22 Ultra. Now, the earbuds themselves are available in 4 colors: black, white, purple, and gray, and all at the price of $199.99. And the first pro that I have for this particular item is the design. It's subtle, it's nice, it's actually very simple and comfortable in the hands. My first initial reaction was, wow, I had no effort putting it in my ear. The wingtip that they offer, probably one of the best ones that I've used because you literally put them in your ears and they lock in. There's not too much fiddling going around with that. The second pro is the sound quality. The sound quality is really good. It's actually great. You do get well-balanced audio, and you do have the option to manipulate between noise cancellation, transparency, and off. The third pro that I'm going to mention here is the 6-hour listening time with 18 hours of additional listening time available to you. I think that's actually really good, considering that if I ever do forget to charge these in the gym, I usually charge the case, and I'm glad that I have that additional 18 hours. If I'm ever flying, or if I'm ever going to the library, or if I'm going to be away from a charger for a little while, I'm happy knowing that I can get that added listening time or charging time with the case. The next pro here, which I thought was really cool about these earbuds, is the app. The Beats app itself is really nice. It's actually very simple to use. It's very simple to navigate through, and you're able to locate your earbuds, which is great. That's something I actually love about my AirPods, the fact that you can find them to find my app, find my feature. And it also does have an in-ear fit test to determine the best size for seal and performance. I think those two within the app is amazing. Like, you guys have no idea. Once I saw that, I was like, this is pretty dope. Now let's go ahead and talk about 3 cons that I have with this particular device. Now, Beats has always been known for their quality. I remember back in the day when you heard like a new Beats headphones came out, you knew that you were going to get really good bassy sound, and that's always been the headphones that we always wanted because we just heard that they were the best to use and that the quality was amazing, which it is. Now, quality is subjective with this because I think that quality is something that they skipped on. The case has a little bit of a flex to it. I don't know if I like that particularly. Now remember that the case is 2/3 of the headphones. If you don't have the case, then you're kind of screwed because you can't really charge your headphones, and if you can't charge your headphones, you can't use your headphones. So I think that this is something that they kind of skipped on or maybe it's just my model that is missing. But the second concern is the price. I think when compared to the AirPods are probably my favorite gym headphones, and the AirPod Maxes. When compared to the other competitors or headphones along the price, it's hard to compete with the AirPods. It's hard to compete with other Beats products that are a little bit cheaper. I can only recommend this less than $200. I was able to actually find a deal for these online at Amazon.com for $99, and shipping was going to be about a week. I'll be fine in a week. So I opted for that, and that's exactly the reason why I'm keeping them. I don't recommend these pair of headphones at $200, considering some of the quality issues that I have found with this. In terms of sound, great. In terms of fit in your ear, excellent. This is probably one of the best fitting earbuds that I've tried. And that's all I'm going to say about the Beats Fit Pro. Well, actually, one thing I will say. The last thing is that I wish they would have included a power adapter, because especially at $200, it seems kind of weird not to include a power adapter. But that's pretty much a video, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, as this helps the channel. I really want to thank a lot of my new subscribers. I've been seeing you guys on my community. I've been seeing you guys in other areas on my channel, so I really appreciate you guys. Again, if you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys on my next video. I actually have to get out to the gym, so this video has to get done now. And thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And until my next video, peace. Bow, 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 bow. Done with this. Adios.